Thank you all for a wonderful, wonderful tournament.
And who would also like to everyone who contributed in any manner.
Before we actually start the award ceremony, we would really want to thank all the kids present here because their match, their presence has made the entire environment very, very so let's start with the kids award first. We had the drawing competition. Vaibhavi Parmar, Hemant Parmar's daughter.
Vaibhavi Parmar, please come forward.
And Devarshi Patel, Hitesh Patel's daughter.
Hitesh Patel. No one is here?
So I think they've left, but congratulations to the winners. Coming to the kids match, we all know who the man of the match will be. So, a big clap for Hemant Patel.
Like this. Thank you.
And we had another star performer there. Param.
Param was absolutely tremendous in fielding and in batting. Thank you, Param. Congratulations.
Now the guys, for your wonderful participation, I would request each team to come forward and collect their participation certificates. Black Panthers, I would request Tapan, Bhumi, and the entire team to come and take forward your certificates.
खिलाड़ी है HPL खिलाड़ी है HPL खिलाड़ी है HPL खिलाड़ी है
Scorpion Kings,
Scorpion Kings.
Neerav, Sonal, Sheetal, and the entire team.
हुंकार कार कर है खिलाड़ी है HPL खिलाड़ी है HPL खिलाड़ी है झाड़ लो पल्ला
Emperors,
कर लो थोड़ा
Sunil, Lovely, Jayesh Parmar, and the entire Emperor team.
कर ले बॉल की बारी विकेट हमारी झाड़ ले पल्ला उठा ले बल्ला कर लो थोड़ा हल्ला गुल्ला कंधे जकड़ ले कैच पकड़ ले बॉल की बारी विकेट हमारी है HPL खिलाड़ी है HPL खिलाड़ी है HPL खिलाड़ी है
Royal Smashers, Viman, Lalita,
Royal
Nihal,
Smashers, Nihal.
खिलाड़ी है HPL खिलाड़ी है HPL खिलाड़ी है HPL खिलाड़ी है पर्वत को तू पार पार कर दिखी अपनी धार धार कर भिड़ जा अब तू आर पार कर मैदान में हुंकार कार कर है खिलाड़ी है HPL खिलाड़ी
and the Falcons,
खिलाड़ी है झाड़ लो पल्ला
Nehal, Akash Shah, Ashish Gandhi,
कर लो थोड़ा हल्ला गुल्ला कंधे जकड़ ले अरे कैच पकड़ ले बॉल की बारी विकेट हमारी झाड़ ले पल्ला उठा ले बल्ला कर लो थोड़ा
No hard
and the
feelings, sorry for
entire
that. Dark Stallions.
So we start with the player awards. We have Vijay Patel who had hit 8 fours before today's match. I think another 4 today. 22 plus 8 sixes, so 36 is 250.
Wow. What a match-winning player he is. You need to find a lot of words in dictionary if you have to praise this guy. Amazing batsman, amazing cricketer.
Sheetal Chawda, 7-6, 150 with a prize amount of 6,800.
Well played, Sheetal Chawda.
Akshay Soni, 13 fours, 4 sixes, 150, 3 catches in a match, 5,600.
Akshay Soni, छोटा जादूगर.
Malak Dudia, 6 sixes. Akash Anand, 6 fours, 4 sixes and 3 catches in a match.
Well done, Akash Anand.
Alay Patel, 5 fours, 6 sixes and 8 wickets.
Alay Patel.
Rituraj Mistry, 4 sixes. Hasmukh Parmar, 7 fours. Rishit Sara, 6 fours. Ashish Shimali, 4 fours, 4 sixes.
We know how he plays.
5 sixes. Ashish Gandhi, 6 wickets. Jayesh Parmar, 5 sixes.
Ayush Parmar.
Nilesh Puput, 6 wickets.
Nice.
And now Nihar for his own check, 5 wickets.
Wow, Nihal, finally. Congratulations.
Jignesh Satwara for 14 wickets. Second highest wicket taker, Hardik Singh with 11 wickets. Vishal Parmar, 7 wickets. Last but not the least, Chandresh Patel, 5 wickets. So after these checks, there are no surprises. The red for the orange cap and the blue cap. The blue cap goes to none other Vijay Patel.
We more in coming years.
And the orange cap, Jignesh Sathwara.
He is the most impressive bowler in the whole tournament. He deserves this. Congratulations, Jignesh.
And moving on to our Man of the Match awards.
Do we need to guess that? Do we need to guess that?
So for the first match, Invincible versus Black Panthers, Kunal Dave. Royal Smashers versus Dark Stallions. Falcons versus Scorpion Kings, Sheetal Chawda. Rockers versus Emperors, Ritesh Kansara. Scorpion Kings versus Black Panthers, Puneet Parmar. Kingfisher versus Dark Stallions, Vijay Patel. Versus Dark Stallions, Akash Anand. Invincibles versus Falcons, Netik. Royal Smashers versus Kingfisher 11, Akshay Soni. Black Panthers, Rituraj Mistry. Emperors versus Kingfisher 11, again Vijay Patel. Scorpion Kings versus Invincibles, Malak Dudia. Invincibles versus Royal Smashers, Netik. Semi-final 2, Vijay Patel again. And we had a friendly match today, which was a mixed gender match. So the man of the match for that is Krunal Solanki. It was really a nice team to see girls and boys both playing in the same match. A fun and an entertainment altogether. And for the management match, any guesses? It is Ritesh Sandani with 3 wickets and 2 runouts. And now it's the time for our runner-ups to come and collect their awards. I will request Ashish Joshi, Umangi, Kunal Dave and the entire Invincible team to come.
Make some noise, guys.
खिलाड़ी है HPL खिलाड़ी है HPL खिलाड़ी है HPL खिलाड़ी है पर्वत को तू पार पार कर दिखी अपनी धार धार कर फिर जा अब तू आर पार कर मैदान में हुंकार कार कर है खिलाड़ी है HPL खिलाड़ी है HPL खिलाड़ी है।
I would request Ashish to speak a few words about his team.
We all need to be proud of ourselves. We did excellent job. We are invincible. Once it happens, life is good.
Ashish, one thing about you, if we are able to buy one player just for support, I'll buy you definitely.
I wish I could win.
Thank you so much.
Almost every match and cheering. Let me know your views.
The team was very good. Of course, Vijay was better. So we want to our best team.
Captain Kunal, excellent performance by the team. Do you want to say something to the team?
Actually, the entire tournament, whichever dropped Vijay Patel's catch, he lose the match. And today also it happened. So it's not our fault. But we have played the entire tournament very well and with the team spirit.
I will request Ashish and the entire players to please collect your medals.
खिलाड़ी है HPL खिलाड़ी है HPL खिलाड़ी है HPL खिलाड़ी है। पर्वत को तू पार पार कर दिखी अपनी धार धार कर भिड़ जा अब तू आर पार कर मैदान में हुंकार कार कर है खिलाड़ी है।
Actually, for the winners, first the man of the match for today's tournament. For the tournament, Vijay Patel.
And here you are once again.
He has been a star, a true entertainer, and I would request all of you to please give him a big And now is the time for the winning team, Devan, and the entire Kingfisher 11. The champions.
खिलाड़ी है HPL खिलाड़ी है HPL खिलाड़ी है HPL खिलाड़ी है।
It's time for jubilation celebration और मेरे पास ये स्पीच देने का एक बहुत problematic काम है because this jubilation and this celebration would not have been possible because last ये कितना एक महीना 1.5 महीने का हार्ड वर्क के बिना प्लानिंग के बिना डिजाइन के बिना और सबसे ज्यादा आप लोग की स्पिरिट के बिना it would not have been possible. So first of all, 3 cheers for all the people who participated. It is amazing how sports can bring everything together and जो भी थोड़े बहुत आपस में कोई बातचीत भी होती होगी all goes down and it was the teamwork that built up so that's the spirit that we have seen and everything worked out so well here and I must congratulate this occasion to organizers. There were 4 actually who done great work in this first time. You all know them, Ritesh, Neha, Naresh bhai, of course he's the chairman, and अपने एडमिन भाई एडमिन के नरेश भाई 4 लोगों ने मिलके 1 महीने का टूर्नामेंट जिसमें 100-150 लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया और इतना स्मूथली कंप्लीट हुआ, दैट्स फिनोमिनल. सो 3 cheers फॉर ऑल द ये इवेंट का जो खासियत थी कि इसके अंदर पूरा शुरुआत से लेके आखिरी तक इनोवेशन इनबिल्ट था. whether we are talking about this owner's concept, या सभी टीम्स पूरे हाईटेक से टीम्स को असेंबल करके कॉमन सिक्सर्स का प्राइज देखे और everything had innovation built into it. So 3 cheers for the organizers for planning, designing and implementing to the precision. The spirit, आप लोग की spirit show कर रही है that everything, I mean you have been so charged up, so well played, so सभी लोगों ने coordination, internal coordination इतना बढ़िया रहा and what can I say about today's match actually? So I mean it would be incomplete actually if I do not mention how this match has gone and in that the name of Vijay, I am sure सभी के दिमाग में आज की तारीख पे में यही नाम है. So Vijay, it is Vijay's day today and High-Tech has won actually. Thank you very much all and see you again next year, a bigger, better and a more vibrant HPL.
I would also like to invite Bachal. Bachal, please come to say a few words about the organizing committee who have made this excellent event.
Yeah, 2 or 3 things I missed really. So definitely the innovation की part जब मैं कर रहा था, so we cannot forget the Danny's Kitchen actually. So Danny's Kitchen really Nirav conceived program, directed by Nirav and executed to the precision by Piyush, Sonal. And today also, in fact, all the spouses also participate and Priyank also joined in today and that is fantastic. And the 2 people who really hard worked there actually the umpires, scorers. I mean always they have been so nice actually और पूरे time they ensure that this event goes on eventless and that's a great part, so thank you umpires.